Here are the steps to cleaning your Kegerator lines. First, turn off your CO2 tank and regulator before disconnecting the draft lines from the keg. Untap the beer lines from your keg by releasing the coupler, unscrewing the beer hose fitting, and removing the CO2 pressure hose. Next, unscrew the faucet. Follow the preparation instructions on your preferred cleaning solution. Pour the measured solution and warm water into a cleaning bottle. Connect the hand pump bar line cleaning bottle with the solution to your faucet coupling nut. Place the end of the beer line into a bucket. Soak your faucet, coupling, and other parts in a bucket with water and the cleaning solution. Use the hand pump to flush approximately 2 liters of cleaning solution through the keg lines. Allow the solution to soak through the hose according to the manufacturer's instructions of the cleaner. Disconnect the cleaning bottle, rinse it thoroughly, then fill it with cold water. Reattach the bottle to the faucet and pump fresh water through the lines to ensure all the cleaning solution is out of the system. Use pH test strips to test for any remaining cleaning chemicals. Disconnect the bottle and dispose of the remaining solution in the bucket. Scrub the insides of the faucet and keg coupler with a faucet brush. Rinse the parts thoroughly before reattaching them to your Kegerator. Finally, return the couplers to their proper place and connect the line to your keg. Turn the CO2 tank back on and reopen the regulator. You're now ready to serve your customers their favorite beer.